A step toward equity is we got to stop teaching labels and start teaching students. And why would we expect the best from our students, the best version of themselves, when we've tattooed them with these marginalizing labels? Why would we expect the best? I know I wouldn't get your best if I started not with the Grisham video, but with, hey, I need you to rearrange yourselves. Or, I sent Tim and Vince, hey, here's how we need you to arrange your teachers. And then you find out how you're being arranged in, high, medium, and low ability groups. I wouldn't get the best version of you today. So why should we expect it from kids? Just something to think about. It's one thing to meet them where they are and take them where they need to go. It's another thing to meet them where you've put them. And I don't know how it goes in Canada, but in the States, when I went to school, the kids who were considered low were low all the way through. The kids who were considered average were average all the way through. And the kids, educators considered smart, were smart all the way through. And opportunities and access was all impacted by these decisions. And we've got to do better, because where they go is based on you. Like that's why I'm done talking about demographics and population as a reason why students aren't learning. I just work with the adults. And typically after a couple of hours, I have a pretty good idea whether the expertise and talent is assembled in the room. That's what it comes down to. That's what it comes down to.